Most finance channels won't tell you this, but there's a better way to track your money. Today, we're diving into why I moved from Mint to Personal Capital in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to optimize your finances using the best personal finance tracker. 030, the starting point. For years, I relied on Mint to manage my finances. It was user-friendly and free, which seemed perfect for tracking expenses and budget. However, as my financial situation grew more complex, I realized Mint had limitations. I needed a tool that could handle investments, retirement accounts, and detailed financial plans. That's when I discovered Personal Capital. 2 o'clock strategy. My strategy was simple. Find a tool that could integrate all aspects of my financial life seamlessly. After researching various options, Personal Capital stood out due to its comprehensive features and ease of use. I planned to transition gradually, ensuring I wouldn't lose any critical data during the switch. 4 o'clock execution. Phase 1, the first step was importing my financial data from Mint to Personal Capital. This process was surprisingly smooth, thanks to Personal Capital's robust import feature. Within hours, all my accounts were synced, and I could see a holistic view of my finances. Early results showed that Personal Capital provided deeper insights into my spending habits and investment performance. 6 o'clock execution. Phase 2, as I delved deeper into Personal Capital, I encountered some obstacles. Customizing the dashboard to fit my needs took some time, but the flexibility was worth it. I set up alerts for unusual transactions and monitored my net worth regularly. The breakthrough came when I started using Personal Capital's investment analysis tools, which helped me identify areas for improvement in my portfolio. 8 o'clock, the numbers. Let's talk numbers. Before switching, my monthly budgeting was a hassle with me. With Personal Capital, I save an average of 30 minutes per week on financial management tasks. My investment returns also improved by 15% over 6 months. 9:30 lessons learned what worked. Personal Capital's integration capabilities and detailed investment analysis. What didn't? Initially, customizing the dashboard was challenging. If I could go back, I'd spend more time familiarizing myself with Personal Capital's features up front. 10:30, how you can apply this here are 3 actionable takeaways. 1. Evaluate your current financial tools for limitations. 2. Consider switching to Personal Capital for a more comprehensive financial picture. 3. Spend time customizing your dashboard for maximum efficiency. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. 11 o'clock tomorrow. The Sisters' Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.